How to add friends on Duolingo. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add friends on Duolingo, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now, if you'd like to add friends on Duolingo, it's basically pretty simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch your browser and go to duolingo.com and log into your account. And once you've done that, you're going to see this type of interface where on the left hand side you can simply find an option that says profile. So when you go to the profile option, you'll come to your profile page. Right on the right hand side you can see it says add friends. So you can find friends or invite friends. If you want to find and add some friends, just select that. Simply search for someone's username that you would like to find in this case, and once you've done that, you should be able to see a list of people, and then you can simply send them a follow request or a friend request to be able to add them as friends. This way you can add friends on Duolingo. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.